Welcome to Colonial Surety Company. Colonial Surety is an insurance company offering direct online issuance of ERISA Fidelity bonds and fiduciary liability insurance for plan sponsors of employee benefit plans. Once a link is established to your company website, your client can easily access Colonial Surety site to obtain Fidelity bonds and fiduciary liability insurance. All transactions will be tracked to management reports on your company login to Colonial Surety. From here, plan sponsor clients enter their contact information and establish a username and password. Select products and get started. A checklist of required information is identified to complete the transaction quickly. Since all bonds are issued upon completion of application and payment, certain underwriting criteria must be met prior to entering the application. Contact information will default. Select type of plan and type of assets. Identify number of trustees, fiduciaries, employees, and participants. Effective date, list trustees, and advance to page 2. Enter value of assets that must be bonded. Bond amount will default specific limit required based on the type of assets, noting that all bonds are issued in $10,000 increments. Example, if qualifying assets are identified on page 1 and total assets that require bonding is $1 million, the bond amount will default based on the 10% rule and a bond for $100,000 will be shown. Premium will calculate, and then below select your products, terms, and advance to the next page. Please note, if fiduciary liability insurance is removed, confirm by checking this box and advance. Premium is automatically recalculated. Several underwriting questions must be completed and then advance to the last page. Review, sign with your email address, and select payment method. If your payment option is by credit card or e-check, the bond is released immediately and an email is forwarded to the plan sponsor client and the pension administrator identified on your company account. A link with a username and password is provided to easily view or print the bond and policy. Clients paying by check will receive an email confirming the pending purchase with details advising where to forward the check payment. Upon receipt, the bond is released and an email is forwarded. The company dashboard to Colonial Surety displays many additional menu items. Here is where you can view your management report with all transactions listed. Partial applications, renewals, as well as recently expired and canceled bonds and policies are identified. Additionally, you have the ability to start an application for a plan sponsor client by selecting Order an ERISA Fidelity bond. Here, you simply enter your client's basic plan information and email plan sponsor. Your client is emailed and they can simply log in with an assigned username and password to review and complete the application. All email marketing materials identify your company and will be tracked from the link on your website. All incoming calls are screened to identify the plan sponsor relationship to the pension professional. If you have any questions or need additional information or instructions, please don't hesitate to contact an ERISA representative at Colonial Surety Company.